Welcome to another video from the farm. Today, doing the floor. So as you might have caught in previous videos, we've already got the plastic liner in the floor here. So now we're good to go with filling this up with our earthen floor base. Now in case you're unfamiliar with what an earthen floor is, it's basically your subsoil mixed with cement in a similar fashion that you'd make normal concrete. To use that for your floor. It takes a little bit longer to dry, isn't necessarily as tough as concrete either, depending on what's in your actual subsoil, but other than that, it's a good option to go for cheapness. As yeah, it'll probably be a couple £100 in concrete to do this actual whole floor area, but as it'll probably be less than 10 bags of cement, about £25–30 to do this floor, so not bad at all. But first though, we need to go and get a massive pile of subsoil built on this little area I've set out here on an old liner. Let's get to it. Let's head down to the quarry area. So we're down at our little quarry we've got on the edge of the pond. As you can see, chipping away an alright amount and filling up bags for our next project, the barn. But this is all excellent subsoil material to be using in our earthen floor as well, and hopefully, you can see it's fairly yellow, so we should get a nice yellow coloured floor as well. I'll position the tractor a little bit closer to the edge, and then I'll start chucking a load of this in the bucket. Right, I'll take this back up, another 30 or so of these, and we should have enough. There's a big old pile up here now, I've got a couple of ton there at least. And yeah, I've actually made a bit of a start on the floor during the evenings when I've just had a spare 5 minutes over the last few weeks. It's been a bit busy to set aside hours doing this. So all I've done is I've put damp-proof membrane down, I think I've shown you that already. And then I've put some insulation on top and then made this reciprocating pattern out of bits of wood to then give me the sort of panels I want. So then in theory I can have each one of these as a completely different colour, pattern, design, infill with something. I'm thinking at the minute I'm just going to sort of mosaic a couple of them. This one to go along with the log burner we've got over there. I'm going to make it like a log circle floor, I think. And as you can see, it doesn't come up too shabby, this floor we've gone for. Nice and firm. I could have got it a bit smoother, but because I'm putting stuff on top, I've just roughly smoothed it off with a board. Didn't need more than that. Obviously, if you did want to make it smooth, look, you can see this bit where I've actually dragged a trowel across it. It's pretty smooth, that's just one pass. And obviously, if you sort of float it like you would do in normal concrete, you could probably get this whole thing pucker smooth, the same as concrete, I'd imagine. I might test that on a little section here, just to sort of see if you can. Show you guys what it looks like if you actually do it properly. Covered up the tree, covered up the fire. Going to leave the windows and door frames as I've got to buff those down anyway. I've got bits of mortar to take off some of them already. And yeah, let's begin then. Mixing away. halfway. It's coming along pretty decently. Takes at least a day longer to dry than normal concrete, so slowing me down a little bit, but it's getting there. Alright, so she's in. Next then, give all these bits of wood a bit of a clean up, give it a good sweep, and then we're almost there. Beautiful, trusty vac. That's all the dust up for now. Right then, I think we'll wrap this video up here. Hope you've enjoyed watching this floor come together. If you did, don't forget to give it a like below. Right then, till next time, bye bye.